So next, find the distance between following points. Okay. Suppose 2 points is given in three-dimensional space. What is the distance between 2, 3, 5 and 4, 3, 1? Already I have given the distance between 2 points formula is a solution. So this is taken as x1, y1, z1. x1, y1, z1 is equal to what? 2, 3, 5 and x2, y2, z2. x2, y2, z2 is 4, 3, 1. Right. So is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Right. What is the distance formula? Distance between these 2 points is defined as square root of what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay. So just substitute the value of x2 and x1 and y2 and y1, z2, z1. We are going to get a distance between 2, 3, 5 and 4, 3, 1. Okay. So this is x2 minus x1 and 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole square is the square root of 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 whole square. Next y2 minus y1. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 whole square. Next z2 minus z1 means 1 minus 5 whole square. Okay. So square root of 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 square is 0 itself. And 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16. Okay. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 16 is 20. So the distance between the 2 points is root 20 square root. So units, square root, units. Root 20 units. Root 20 units. Okay. So similar again. So second one, third one, fourth one distance bariya. Yes. Second one, solution. So this point is taken as x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Okay. So x1, y1, z1 is equal to what? First point minus 3, 7, 2 and second point is taken as x2, y2, z2. So 2, 4, minus 1. 2, 4, minus 1. The distance between 2 points is given by d is equal to square root of what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 so whole square. Next z2 minus z1 whole square. So just plug the value of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Right. So square root of x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 3. x2 is 2. So minus is there in formula. So x1 coordinate is minus 3 and minus into, so x1 coordinate is negative and negative into negative positive. So 2 plus 3 whole square. Okay. Next y2 minus y1. So y2 is 4. So y1 is 7. 4 minus 7 whole square. Next z2 minus z1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Okay. Any confusion? Right. It's the square root of 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 square is 25. Here 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Okay. So 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 plus 25, so 33. So 43. So square root of 43 units. Alright. The distance between a 2 point is root 43 units. Root 43 units. So third one. So third one ಏನಿದೆ? So minus 1 comma 3 comma minus 4. So second point 1 comma minus 3 comma 4. Again formula formula ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So D is equal to a square root of what? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, so D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Correct ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, x2 is 1, so minus x1 is minus 1, so minus into minus 1 plus 1, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 plus 1 whole power 2. Next, so y2 is minus 3, so y1 is 3, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು minus 3, so whole power 2. Next, z2 minus z1, 4, so z1 ಏನಿದೆ minus 4, ಅಂದರೆ minus of minus 4 plus 4 ಆಯಿತು, ಅಂದರೆ 4 plus 4 whole square. Okay, yes, so square root of 1 plus 1 2 square is 4 plus minus 3 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 6 whole square is 36. Next, 4 plus 4 8 square is 64. Okay, so 36 plus 4 40 plus 64 104, and the square root of 104 units. The distance between these 2 points is what? Square root of 104 units. Nothing but is a 10 point something, is a 10.2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್, ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. Okay, this is the last one. This is the very easy. This is the fourth one. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, this is the fourth one. So 2 comma minus 1 comma 3, 2 comma minus 1 comma 3. Next point is minus 2 comma 1 comma 3. Okay, minus 2 comma 1 comma 3. Right, just distance formula apply ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, distance formula ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So x2 minus x1 is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. ಆ ಸೈನ್ಗಳು ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೈನ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. minus 2 ಏಕೆ x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 2, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು minus 2 whole square. Okay, next y2 minus y1, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, nothing but 1 plus 1 whole square. Right, next z2 minus z1, 3 minus 3 whole square. Okay, yes, so square root of minus 2 minus 4 whole square is 16. Next, 1 plus 1 2 square is 4, 3 minus 3 0 square is 0 itself. Right, so 16 plus 4 20, right, root 20 units. Okay, it's very simple ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So just ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, distance between 2 points in 3-dimensional space. In the similar way, so what we have discussed, so what we have learned in 10th class, the distance between 2 points in 2-dimensional plane. Right, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ are present in space, suppose 3 points are collinear. How to check ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the distance formula, go through the distance formula ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, 3 points are collinear. Suppose 3 points are the vertices of equilateral triangle. So ಹಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, yes, 3 points are vertices of equilateral triangle. So 3 points are vertices of isosceles triangle. So 4 points are the vertices of parallelogram. So 4 points are the vertices of square. So rhombus ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ 2 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ one questions, what is collinear points? What is collinear points? What is collinear? Coincides in one line. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they are present on the same line. If they are present on the same line, if coincides on the same line, right? So 3 points x1 y1 z1, 3 or more points x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, right? Next x3 y3 z3. Sake of our simplicity, so just I taken 3 points. So 3 points, this is point taken as P, this point is taken as Q, this point is taken as R. So PQ are collinear. The point PQ are said to be collinear if PQ are present in the same line. Suppose in 3-dimensional space, this is a line, this point is taken as P, this point is taken as Q, this point is taken as R. So how to show mathematically? So PQ are collinear. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, PQ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ PQ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Q ಮತ್ತೆ R ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ QR ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು PQ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ QR ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ is same as so PR ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ PR ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ the point PQR collinear. Okay, ಸೊ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ PQR ಆರ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ P and Q, ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ Q and R, the sum of the distance between PQ and QR is same as the distance between P and R. So we can directly conclude PQR are collinear. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು prove the 3 given points are collinear or not collinear ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಸೊ 2 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ is said to be isosceles triangle. So the length of two sides are same. Then the triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. Right? Isosceles triangle ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ isosceles triangle ಅಂತಾರೆ the length of two sides is the length of two sides of a triangle. The length of two sides of a triangle are same. The length of two sides of a triangle are same. So illo ade concept bರುತ್ತೆ, right? The length of two sides of a triangles are same, then the triangle is said to be isosceles triangle in 3-dimensional space, right? Right angle triangle. Next one, a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle. So right angle. So triangle. So how to show the right angle triangle? Suppose this is ABC. This is the right angle triangle. So A, B, C is the right angle triangle. The square of hypotenuse. Andre the distance EC is same as sum of squares of other two sides. This is the proof of Pythagoras theorem. So the distance AC as the square of the distance of hypotenuse is same as sum of squares of other two sides. Sum of squares of other two sides. ಇವೆರಡೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಐಸೋಸೆಲೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಈಕ್ವಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈಕ್ವಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಸೊ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಲೇಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ the length of all sides are equal, right? So the length of all sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. Skeletal triangle ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ skeleton triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ the all sides are different, then the triangle is said to be what? So skeletal triangle. Okay, so ನೋಡಿ, I show that the 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear. So this point is taken as P, Q, R. Right. Solution. This is the application of distance formula. Okay. So so P is P of so minus 2 comma 3 comma Q, and Q of 1 comma 2 comma 3, and R of 7 comma 0 comma minus 1. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್, ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ is defined as x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square, next z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, the distance PQ is equal to, see, x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. Okay, is the square root of 1 minus of minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು plus 2 whole square. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೋಡಿ, x2 minus of minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು plus 2 whole power 2. Next 2 minus 3 whole square. Next 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay, the square root of 1 plus 2 3 square is 9. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Okay, next 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square is 4, right? So 9 plus 1 10, so 10 plus 4 14, root 14 units. The distance between P and Q is how much? Root 14 units. General unit. So the distance one unit ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ just units ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ distance QR is defined as, again formula very x2 minus x1 practice ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next y2 minus y1 whole square. Next z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, so now this is x1 y1 z1, this is x2 y2 z2, right? This is what the distance calculation between q and r calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, the distance between q and r. So now this point is taken as x1 y1 z1, this point is x2 y2 z2. Okay, so plug the values of x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. So 7 minus 1 whole power 2. Next 0 minus 2 whole square. Next minus 1 minus 3 whole square, right? 7 minus 1 6 square is 36. Next minus 2 whole square is 4 plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square is 16, right? So 16 plus 4 20 plus 36 total 56. 56. The distance QR. Okay. Then ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So 14. Yes. So ಇದನ್ನ 14 into so 14 into 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? 14 into 4. So 14 4s are 56 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 4 4s are 16 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6. 4 1s are 4 by 56 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? 2 times root 14. 2 times root 14 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಸೊ PR ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ PR ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, the distance between P and R. Distance between P and R calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again distance formula ಬರೀರಿ. x2 minus x1 whole square. Next y2 minus y1 whole square. Next z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay. ಹೀಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ x1 y1 z1 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇದನ್ನ x2 y2 z2 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಸ್ x1 y1 z1, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ x2 y2 z2. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? 7 minus of minus 2. 7 minus of minus 2 is plus 2 whole power 2. Next y2 minus y1, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, so whole power 2 plus z2 minus z1, minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 minus 5 is a whole raised to what? 2. Okay. Yes, simplify this one. Is the square root of what? 7 plus 2, 9. 9 square is 81. So minus 3 whole power 2 is 9. Plus minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 whole power 6 whole power 2 is 36. 36. So here 90. 90 plus 36, 126. Right? Square root of 126. So square root of 126 can be written as, so 14 into 9. 14 into 9. Okay. So 14 9s are 126. Right. So root 9 is, square root of 9 is 3 root 14. The distance PR, the distance PR is 3 times root 14 units. Root 14 units. So from this observation, what we can conclude? So the distance PR, ಅಂದ್ರೆ PQ plus QR is equal to what? PR. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? So PR is equal to what? PQ plus QR. Right? So because, so PR distance is 3 times root 14 is equal to PQ. PQ is root 14 plus QR distance 2 times root 14. So 3 times root 14 is equal to, here like terms are there. So sides ಅಲ್ಲಿ like terms ಇದಾವೆ. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 times root 14. Right? So from this observation, what we can conclude? So the point PQR present on the same line. So it indicates, it indirectly says that the PQR collinear points. PQR collinear point. Yes, PQR, the point PQR collinear point. ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ.